internet is buzzing after Apple's awe-dropping event earlier last week, where the iPhone 17 officially made its debut, and some absolutely loved it, while some didn't. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. While Apple fans are celebrating its sleek design and next-gen performance, others say it's just another minor tune-up wearing a new suit. But Apple isn't waiting for the dust to settle, because the company has publicly crowned the iPhone 17 Pro Max as the best phone in the world. This declaration wasn't made quietly either. It came in direct response to Samsung's viral #ICan't campaign, which mocked Apple's latest upgrades, from its improved cameras to its live translation and new sleep score feature. Experts see Samsung's trolling as a strategy to steal attention before its own Galaxy S26 launch. To fire back, Apple Design took to X to outline why the iPhone 17 Pro Max stands above the rest. Flexing a 5088 mAh battery optimized for iOS, Apple claims it leads in battery life, console-level gaming, video clarity, and blazing fast performance. Powered by the new A19 Pro chip, it promises unmatched speed, smooth multitasking, and tighter security with advanced Face ID. But the real question remains if Apple's really pushing boundaries or just polishing the same formula. Regardless of which side you're on, one thing's for sure: the iPhone 17 Pro Max has steered the pod. Whether it lives up to the best phone in the world title, though, might depend on how Samsung's Galaxy S26 responds early next year. Stay tuned, because the battle is just heating up. Are you a Samsung fan or an Apple enthusiast? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.